Hi, Chris Sparrow, Senior Associate for DB3 Architecture. We're leading the architectural, principal designer and front of house M&E for the new Oatly UK factory. Over recent years, the popularity of Oatly's products here in the UK has expanded at an exponential rate. This has meant that the supply chain from Europe has started to struggle with the demand in the UK. So this has led to Oatly's decision to invest heavily in a new UK manufacturing facility. In the spring of 2020, we were approached by Integrated Food Projects to work on this exciting new project for Oatly. This project is absolutely unique because at its core we have Oatly's values: sustainability, nutritional health and trust. At the heart of all large-scale industrial projects is making sure that the process is key to all design considerations and making sure that the architectural and the structural elements follow through on that process requirement. What excites me most about working on this project is working with a brand that is redefining people's understanding of nutritional health and actively promoting a greener and more sustainable environment in doing so. Our next steps of the project will be breaking ground in the next couple of months and then to look to be fully open and operational by 2023.